Well, we continue to melt the snow out there with areas of rain. Some of that rain has really been coming down at a significant clip, especially south of Grand Rapids. Temperatures, that's kind of key so far today, right at 35 degrees in Grand Rapids. Those will be going up, especially from I-96 to the south. The problem zone is north and northeast of Grand Rapids, where temperatures have been relatively steady right at that freezing mark. And right now, overcast sky. That's not going to change today. What will change in the Grand Rapids area is the rain that's been fairly persistent this morning will become lighter and even stop at times. Until 6 o'clock, the National Weather Service has extended this winter weather advisory for Newaygo, also Mecosta, Montcalm counties, and points to the north-northeast. That's where the temperatures have been right around the freezing mark with some areas of freezing rain. Now, if you're traveling, let's say 66, M20, M46, and M57, the main roads, I'm sure they're salted and just wet. It's once you get off the beaten path, you may run into a few slippery roads out there, so keep that in mind. You can see the radar interpretation. We have a potpourri of colors all over the place. To the north of Grand Rapids, basically around M57 to the north, you see that shades of pink indicating that freezing rain out there. Grand Rapids is plain old rain showers and a couple pockets of some showers. Pretty heavy rain off to our south. So Reynolds area, Lakeview, Edmore, Vestaburg, Stanwood, Morley area, and also Croton-Hardy Dam area. Could be a little freezing rain in around your neck of the woods. Here's an area of showers, pretty heavy, heading towards Kalamazoo. Should arrive right around Decatur area, right around 12:30, Paw Paw, 12:37. Into Kalamazoo, I think, at least with the heaviest of the rain, right around 1 o'clock. And here's another batch of heavy rain right around or just east of I-69, and that's heading towards Jackson. Broadview, what's giving all this rain to us? The area of low pressure. Now right around Chicago or just east of Chicago will track right over, nearly right over Grand Rapids. And as it does, it's going to bring up some milder temperatures. This is just one of those days where you're going to have a widespread in temperatures, probably around M46 north, staying in the 30s. Grand Rapids, mid 40s, maybe upper 40s if this area of low pressure gets right over us. And don't be surprised to see a few 50s around I-94 into the south. You can kind of see that. Well, there you go, 50 right now. Sturgis, we're at 35 in Grand Rapids, kind of splitting the difference. 43 currently in the Kalamazoo area. But look at this. Again, right around the freezing mark once you get around Alma, Mount Pleasant, Fremont, and Big Rapids. And you can see how everything converges around the area of low pressure. And again, that's going to lift right through, keeping us underneath the clouds all day long. Once it moves to the east, it looks like we'll wrap around some much colder air out there. And look how these temperatures really fall off into the evening hours and overnight. Really strong wind will develop, looks like this evening. And then eventually, it looks like cold enough air that we'll see some snow showers, and I think they'll be quite heavy, especially on Thursday morning. Here's a look at that Storm Team 8-day forecast. Basically, colder weather will continue to wrap in tonight, right on through Wednesday. Highs pretty close to average on Wednesday, but Thursday will be the coldest day of the week. I think it's going to be a challenging commute, especially west-southwest of Grand Rapids, Thursday morning. A high of only around 20 degrees, single-digit wind chills. Then once again, here we go, temperatures going up as we head into the weekend. With each day, a chance of precipitation. Mostly, it looks like rain after Thursday.
Matt, thank you. Continuing.